Based on a PCIJ report, nakita natin na out of 149 city mayors, 113 doon come from political dynasties. For governors naman, 71 out of 82 provincial governors galing sa dynasty.
Ha?
Ngayon,
71 out of 82?
Yes.
Ay, grabe, no?
And sa tahanan ngayon, Katunying, 80% daw galing sa dynasties. So mukhang kailangan na talaga i-shift na ang Congress, House of Representatives, to dapat naman maging House of the People naman. This is why...
Ulitin nga natin yon, Kong Nat. Ilan sa Kamara ang
Galing sa
80%. 80% was very
80%, Mario
80%.
Stefano.
Paano magkakaroon ng chance? Paano magkakaroon ng chance?
Ano ang chance
na makalusot ng isang totohanang political dynasty measure o anti-political dynasty measure?
Well, surprisingly, Katunying, no, there are some, especially yung mga next generation of leaders coming from dynasties, no, are very willing and are listening na dapat medyo may changes or may regulation in terms of concentration of power. And I think this is a good start. And sana mabigyan ng tsansa kasi sabi nga ni Einstein, kung alam mo yung problema and you still to the same solution, walang mangyayari.